Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data analytics course, easy method. Start by choosing a core course that covers Excel, SQL, and basic statistics. Create a weekly schedule and commit to at least 5 hours of focused practice. Prioritize hands-on projects using real datasets to reinforce concepts. Track progress with small milestones and share your work on a portfolio to get feedback and land your first analytics task. Begin with Excel to clean and explore data, then move to SQL for queries and joins. Learn visualization tools to tell a clear story with charts and tables. Study basic statistics to interpret results and avoid common pitfalls when analyzing trends. Combine these skills into small projects that mirror real tasks and refine your workflow. Regularly revisit weak spots and build on strengths through deliberate practice and feedback. Pick a project that answers a clear question using a public dataset or personal data. Break the project into stages: cleaning, analysis, visualization, and insight. Keep a clean notebook with code, explanations, and conclusions that a hiring manager can follow. Add each finished project to GitHub or a portfolio site and write a short summary highlighting tools used and impact. Seek feedback and iterate to improve clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.